I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have managed server and bot administrator rights. Without them, you can't change settings or roles. Once done, open the Dyno dashboard and pick the affected server so you see its live status. You should restart Dyno from the dashboard to reload commands and modules. This often clears transient errors. Also, check recent role edits or permission removals because missing permissions are the most common cause of misbehavior. Fix those first before deeper troubleshooting. You now dig into configuration and logs to find the root cause. Start by reviewing which modules and commands are enabled or disabled. Misdisabled features will look like a broken bot. Once done, inspect audit and error logs for permission denials, rate limits, or missing intents. These entries explain why features fail. Make sure the bot prefix and webhook links are correct, and validate the API token. An incorrect token or missing intent will stop responses. Adjust cooldowns or permissions that block legitimate users. You finish by reauthorizing and validating functionality end-to-end. Re-invite Dyno using the invite link with correct scopes and administrator or specified permissions. This ensures missing scopes are restored. Then test core commands in a controlled channel with a test account so you can reproduce issues without noise. If problems persist, clear cached settings, reassign the Dyno role at the top of the role list, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing fixes it, reissue the bot token or contact Dyno support with logs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.